What is good, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can install a new font in Adobe Photoshop. So welcome back, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Iben and I'm a graphic designer and a digital artist, and what I do on this channel is that I teach people what I know about graphic design and digital art. So if you're interested in learning any of this, kindly click on the subscribe button now and also enable post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. So the font we're going to be installing today, let's install this font. Is a free font called Aquafina script, or well, I hope I pronounced it well. So let's check now. Maybe we have a font called Aquafina script. So let's check it right now. So if I search for this now, you can see there's no font named Aquafina script. You only have agency FB and Algerian, blah blah. So let's install the fonts real quick. So what I want to do now is that I want to double click on this and then you can close this, double click on this Aquafina script fonts, and then you have a preview of the font here. You can see how the font looks like, and then you see this button here, this install. Just press it. So this font has been installed automatically, so you just have to close this and close that. So when you go back to your Photoshop and you search for Agua, so we have it there, guys. We have the font here. So let's use the font and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the fonts, guys. So this is how you can install your fonts in Adobe Photoshop. So if you find this video really helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and also like this video and share it to your friends, and I'll be sure to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.